John lived in a small town. He worked hard as a shopkeeper, but always felt he was meant for more. He dreamed of starting his own business every day, but he doubted his ability. He thought, "I cannot do this. I am just a simple man." One day, while closing his shop, John met his old friend, Timmy. Timmy asked, "Why do you look so sad, John?" John shared his dreams and fears. Timmy smiled and said, "Believe in yourself, John. When you believe, you can change your life. Small steps with faith make big changes." Those words touched John's heart. The next morning, he decided to take a chance. He saved a little money and began to learn about running a business. Every evening, John would sit with a small notebook and write ideas. He read about successful people from his town and learned from their stories. Slowly, his doubts began to fade. John took his first step by creating a small stall at the local market. Every day, he set up his stall early, arranged his products neatly, and greeted customers with a smile. Some days, only a few people visited. On other days, many came. But John did not lose hope. He remembered Timmy's words and kept his faith strong. Months passed, and the stall grew slowly. With each sale, John's belief grew deeper. He met new people, learned new skills, and found that hard work mixed with belief could change his life. One day, a local newspaper heard about his journey and wrote a small story about him. The article made many people in town notice his efforts. Soon, more customers came, and John's stall turned into a small shop. He hired a few helpers and opened new sections in his shop. Each time he faced a challenge, John remembered to trust himself and continue with faith in his plans. His success spread across the town, and people began to say, "If John can do it, so can we." John learned that the power of belief lies within. He found that every dream, when mixed with hard work and strong faith, can come true. His life changed not because of luck, but because he chose to believe in himself. And that simple act of belief turned his simple life into a journey of success and hope.